Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, dan Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155. Ringkat baganet foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Marry you anyway. Marry that girl. No matter what you say. Marry that.
Ka aspire Meghalaya hakalai trik unai weng arajar afuar. Kala pelongi ke district talent event. Kom Shibantaban Wat iki samla Khynnah Skul Nakathan Southwest Khasiels District Kibadani kasap ruai kasap syat kasap tem yakni kerensan penisap bala pelong ha nativity hall mau korwat la bay pisa da kasorkan jela ha kabakat South Lake School kilapha yaki Khynnah Skul bat kumju ru iki samla pulie jongka snaps em college.
I'm very happy to stand among you, dear students, because you have shown, you have proved the world, you have proved to us that you are talented. I want to give a special thanks to the Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Khynnah. Through him, who had this dream to promote young students and to hunt the talent that has been bestowed to each and every student in the state of Meghalaya. I want to appreciate our Honorable Chief Minister, who have seen this importance to hunt the talent of our dear students in the state of Meghalaya. And once again, I want to congratulate to all the participants who have won different talents. And I want to congratulate once again avenues who have really worked hard to hone the talent of our young students from this district. For the last 6-7 months, you have been here in the district of Southwest Khasiels. And I have seen it has bear fruit. I'm very, very happy to see our students, the courage that you have today. I'm jealous that I have not got this privilege before. The song of one young boy, he said, can I go back? This question I asked to myself, can I go back to this young age like you when I am at this age now? It is purely a rural village. I do not get chance to speak English like you are speaking today, but I thank God. I make myself to have the courage to speak, and I learn at this age to speak English. But you have the privilege to learn at your age now. You have got a better privilege, better experience to speak English, and I know you will do better than me. I know you will do better than your MDC, than your MLA today, when you will become MDC, MLA of Maukarwat. We expect great things from you, my dear students. And we pray God be with you, and you will be successful in your life. One thing before I conclude my speech. I know one thing for sure. God, when He brought you to this earth, He didn't send empty. No. He didn't send you empty on this earth. He sent you with talent. And you have got different talent. As soon as you come out of your mother's womb, God has sent you with different talent. And the question today, I want to ask you, how we have utilized the talent given by God. Has given you this privilege to show your talents and to prove that you are talented. I'm very happy to see our students. While you sing, but besides singing, or while you dance, but besides dancing, you have shown also the courage of public speaking, which is very, very important to have the courage to speak. You see, you cannot avoid speaking. You can go anywhere in the world, you cannot avoid speaking. You have to speak. But the biggest problem of our students from this area, from Southwest Hills, we are not courageous to speak. We have got many things in our mind, but we cannot express. One of the reasons we cannot express because we give the excuses that we are not strong in English. My dear students, believe me, English is a foreign language. If we cannot even to be perfect or to be strong on our mother language, how can we expect to be perfect and to be so strong in English? Therefore, I want to encourage today that whatever English you know, never mind, whatever grammar you can do to the best you can, but speak with courage. That is my inspiration today.